It's all at once, a ball of entertainment at the legacy pitch of the National Stadium Surulere, Lagos, where a football carnival opens. It is a competition which brings all major markets in Lagos together. The excitement generated is just as good as it breeds good neighborliness and cohesion among the people. Lagos State Governor Babajide Sanwo-Olu, represented by Commissioner for Housing Maruf Akinderu Fatai, highlights the role of the Igbos in the socio-economic life of Lagos.
They are Lagosians, and all of us are one. And that's why the governor is also interested in what is going on here. You can see that they have been very busy with their businesses, and this is the time to lighten up. So that's why we are here to encourage them.
Sponsor of the competition, Professor Obiora Okonkwo, says the dream is beyond mere socio-political harmony as he sees exceptional talents making it to top clubs in Europe.
I had promised them that I would reach out to my friends who are in the game of football. They will have interest in all the levels of the tournament, and at the end of the day, they will help to pick those who may have shown extraordinary talent. We want to come out of this competition more unified among the traders, more unified amongst all the indigenous, foreigners, government, and the people of Lagos State.
The week-long competition, which has 16 teams participating, will be rounded off on Sunday, with the champions earning a 1.5 million naira prize money. Edet Bassi, AIT News, Lagos.